Yo guys, so welcome back to this channel once again. So in this video I'm going to talk about no deposit bonus of $50 that you can get for free without any investment. Okay, so with that being said, if you're first time watching video on this channel, remember I do video about no deposit bonus, free funded account and other Forex tutorials. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on notification. That is the only way when I upload video onto the channel, you'll be the first to be notified and watch and claim the bonus before others. Remember, some of the bonuses are limited to number of people. So if you are first watching, that is where you have the chance to claim it. Okay. So in this video, the promotion is not available for the clients from Indonesia. So if you are from Indonesia and you are watching this video, remember you cannot claim this bonus. And remember, all no deposit bonus are virtual funds. They are not real money, including this one that I'm reviewing. It's a virtual fund. You only have to meet their requirements set before you withdraw, which is the profit that you have to withdraw. So here you can see there's a no deposit bonus of $50. Profit is available for withdrawal. Registration is here available, and below it you can see the promotion is not available for clients from Indonesia. So as I said, if you're from Indonesia, this promo is not for you. So these are the process you have to go through in order to get this no deposit bonus. Okay, so you have to register. That is the first step. And then second, you have to get the $50 immediately after registration. And then step three is to start trading and make profit in order to withdraw. And remember, before you go on with this, to register with them, make sure you read the terms and conditions. And remember, this video is for entertainment purpose, educational purpose, and informational purpose only, based on the information publicly available on the internet, as you can also do research on. So with the terms and conditions, I urge every single person to read before doing any registration. So the full promotion term is here. Just click on it and it will take you to the next page in order to read the full terms of this bonus. So below, this is the full term right here. The promotion is valid from May 15th to December 25th, 2025. Okay, so we are still having more room in order to claim this. We still have about I think we have about 5 months more to go in order to claim this bonus. And the promotion is available only in new clients of the company who registered during the promotion period and have a review about the company on thematic resources. So you can check on that. And then I always like to review the withdrawal condition. So let's go through and see if we can get the withdrawal conditions. Okay, that is the very important part that I need. Okay, so the client receive $50, deposit $10 and $100 over 7 days, and has a floating loss of 150. I think this is a scenario that they are trying to show us here, but I'm trying to figure out only the withdrawal part. Okay, so let's check on number 7. Okay, profit and deposit reflected in the balance are fully available for withdrawal and can be freely used in trading. Losses are deducted from the credit first, and only after the bonus is fully lost will losses affect the balance. Okay, so that is not what we want. We need to read through every single thing before we can understand clearly, but I'm just trying to get the withdrawal part. So for the first withdrawal from the account, the client should verify personal information. Okay, so this part is very important. You have to verify personal information before you can do any withdrawal. Make a deposit in the amount of the profit credited to the balance to verify payment detail. If no deposit is made within 10 calendar days from the date of receipt, the profit credited to the balance may be withdrawn. Okay, so you have to take note of that. You need to deposit at least $10 in order to confirm your payment details in order to withdraw through that payment detail. So remember, this is not a force or straight to go and register. You have to accept the terms and conditions. If you did not agree with them, just leave it out. Don't do any registration. It's only information I'm providing to you guys. It's not a financial advice for you to jump on it. So do your own research and accept the terms and conditions before you jump onto them. That is what I have for you guys. So I think I should end it here. So to register, just quickly go above. Okay. So let's check on the details right there. So click on registration. That is where you have to click in order to start your registration. So let's see the requirements at the registration page. Okay. So let's wait to see this. So this is just advert. So this is fresh for us. So you just have to enter your email address right here quickly and then click on register and continue the process. That is how it is. If you already have an account, you can log in. But remember, if you already have an account, you cannot get the bonus. Okay, it's only for new clients and it's $50. See you guys in another tutorial. Goodbye and see you.